So yeah, in today's class, we are going to make a game, okay, by using the clone blocks and some new blocks which you haven't studied till yet, okay. So here, what will happen if I will click on the green flag, then this parrot is going with my mouse pointer, okay, and then you can see that the buildings are coming towards the parrot. Can you see it? In this, in in this what is happening? If you see carefully, only the buildings are moving. The parrot is only moving up and down. It is not moving forward or backward. Can you see it? Only the buildings are moving.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so in today's class, we are going to make this one.
Sir, I already know about the glide block.
Okay, that's okay. But we are going to use it, okay? So first of all, we will delete this sprite and we will go in the add sprite section and we will add parrot from here, okay? We can decrease the size of parrot. All right. Now, yeah, what was happening? That when I was clicking the green flag, what was happening that in the previous class, we made a mermaid shooting game in which what was happening that the mermaid was only moving left and right, okay. It was not moving up and down. Why it was not moving up and down? Because we have locked the y-axis of the mermaid. That's why it was not moving up and down. But in this project, what was happening that the parrot is only moving up and down. It is not going left and right. It means that when green flag click forever and we will go in the motion, instead of setting y block, we will use set x block here, okay. Okay, Aya,
Okay, sir.
we will use that when green flag click forever set x block and then point towards mouse pointer, okay, and move 10 steps. Now, if I will click on the green flag, you will see that now the parrot x axis has been set it up. Okay. You can see it. The parrot is only moving up and down. Can you see it? Yeah, yeah.
Sir, I can see it.
Okay, yeah, yeah. So, do you have any confusion in it?
No, sir.
All right. Now, what we will do, we will go in the backdrops and we will choose blue sky. Okay, blue sky 2 from here. Now, what was happening that the building was coming after and after. Okay, we will go in the sprites. We will choose the buildings. Okay, and we will put this building in the front start of the backdrop. Okay,
Sir, I know the code.
okay, tell me.
So if we wanted to have other buildings, so we will go to the events.
Okay,
So when we will go to events,
okay,
then we will pick the green flag.
okay. When green flag click.
Then we will add the go to control.
Okay,
Then we will use the forever loop.
What we will use?
The forever loop.
Okay, we will use the forever loop.
And if we wanted to glide over here, so we will use glide 1 second to x minus 230 y minus 4.
Okay, but Yaya, in the project I showed you that was using the clones of the building. The clones of the building was moving.
I know.
Okay, so and what was happening? The building was changing its costume. So what we will do that when green flag click forever, we will go in the looks and we will use the next costume block. Okay, that when we click on the green flag, it should change the costume. And what now, if you will click on the green flag, you can see that the costumes are changing, but they are too fast. Okay, to make them slow, we will use the wait block and we will change it to 0.5 seconds. Now, if I will click on the green flag, now the speed of the buildings changing its costume is good. Okay, now yeah, what we have to do more is that the building was creating its own clone. Okay, so we will use this block that create clone of myself right here. Okay, yeah. Now
Okay, sir.
if I will click on the green flag, you can see that the building is creating the clone, but the clone are not moving towards the left. Okay, so now what we will do, we will use this block that when I start as a clone, that when this building start as a clone, first of all, what should it do? It should use this block, go to X and Y. This go to X and Y is the current position of the buildings. Okay. Okay, Aya.
Okay, sir.
When I start as a clone, go to X and Y. And what was happening that it was gliding. Okay, so we will use this block that we will use this block that glide and we will use here 2 seconds. Okay, now Aya, what you have to do, go to X 230 was here, then you have to write go to X minus 230. Okay, now if you will click on the green flag, you will see that the buildings are coming. Can you see it?
Yeah, but they're not getting deleted.
Yes, they are not getting deleted. So what we will do, we will go in the control and we will use this block that delete this clone right here. Okay, now if you will click on the green flag, you will see that the clones are deleting by themselves, but there is a problem. You can see that the original building is already showing here. Can you see it?
Yeah, so that's why we need to hide it, right?
Yes, we need to hide them. So you will go in the looks and we will use the hide block that when green flag click, it should hide and when it should show, when I start as a clone, then this building should show. Okay. Now, if you will click on the green flag, you will see that it is moving perfectly. Okay, Aya, do you have any confusion till here?
No, sir.
Now, Yaya, you can see that the parrot is going at the backwards on the back layer. Okay, so we want that the parrot should be on the front, so we will go in the parrot. Okay, and we will go in the looks and then we will use this go to front layer block. Okay, now if you will play, now the parrot is in front of the building, you can see it and your problem is gone. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Aya, so do you have any confusion in it?
No, sir.
All right. Yeah, now I'm stop sharing my screen. Okay. And now you have to